This is my Outfitter XSL quick tent that I've just purchased. I do a lot of adventure motorcycling, and one of the things I hate the most is in the morning trying to get out of there quickly so I can get on the road. So I bought this, hoping it would be okay for me. I'm 6'2". I also bought this Featherlight Alps mountaineering Featherlight long, in the hopes that it would fit in. Anyway, so I have now set it up in my house, and here it is. And you can see that the Featherlight long fits, which is most excellent. And at 6'2", it's just big enough for me. Setting it up literally was, maybe 20 seconds to pull the tent, set the tent up. And the Featherlight mattress took probably 2 or 3 minutes. It's got its own built-in pump, so probably a couple of minutes. But anyway, I'm just doing this video to see how long it takes for me to take the whole thing down. So over here, I've got my stopwatch ready to go, and here goes. All right. So I am going to put this like so, and away we go. Here comes the Featherlight. Down that. Hold these up. Goes in the middle. Now I didn't put the fly on, but the fly might add an extra, 10 seconds to take on and off. It's pretty fast. It's over here. The fly actually went down to the floor, so I'm pretty happy with the length of it. I thought I might have to get the bigger one, but this is perfectly fine for my purposes. So I'll just hold this up a couple of times, so somewhere in the middle there. I want the right amount. And I'm just going to roll the tent up with the fly on the outside. There's the whole package. Over here, stick it in. All right. Apart from taking the air out of the mattress, which is not really what I was trying to figure out how long it would take, that's it. Let's see how long it took. Probably have to take off about, 20 seconds because of all my dicking around, but that's 2 minutes.